The easterlies continue to dominate, but we do have a little cold surge that's going to move across the northern areas of the Philippines, Taiwan, and Okinawa by Friday over towards Saturday. Overall, though, the tropics remaining relatively calm out here. I'm meteorologist Robert Spitter. Let's break this down. We'll talk about what's going on across the Philippines, maybe even touch in on there into Okinawa as well, especially for the weekend update come up here in, well, just a few days. But right now, though, you can see the easterlies continue to dominate and means it's relatively dry. I mean, especially Luzon, well below average for places like the Magat Dam. Rainfall totals have been low. We do have a little bit of a tropical trough that could kick on by, though, for the southern half of the Philippines as we go ahead into the weekend early next week. You see kind of the flow down here towards the south. Also got this little area here. It's going to kind of kick off towards the west there, and that could increase some precip. Even got a little wave right here by Friday and the Saturday. That's going to interact with the next cold surge. Increased showers for parts of the Bicol region, Cebu, southern areas of Visayas. Actually, that's really your big rain event if you're going to look ahead into the weekend. And then all the while, we're still watching this little tropical wave there south of Guam. So look at this. Here we go. Friday and the Saturday. Here comes that initial wave I was just talking about. It's going to move in with a cold surge, and that means a lot of people along the East Coast are going to see some rainfall, and then we'll watch that secondary wave come through. But for the time being, if you are in places like Siargao, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, afternoon to evening showers, very much likely. All this cloud cover also keeps the temperatures down into the higher 20s versus the 30s. And then we can zoom right in and kind of see what I'm talking about with that easterly flow, kind of increasing those showers for the east coast of Mindanao here as we go ahead through Thursday, Friday, and over towards Saturday. So not completely dry and definitely a lot wetter compared to the rest of the country where below average rainfall continues to be seen. And that even is over towards Cebu. We still have these afternoon showers with temperatures into the 30s, but not quite as wet as our friends further towards the south. Now, where it has been dry is Luzon. Big shout out to our friends out here. As you look ahead into the weekend, there's that northeasterly flow. Friday over towards Saturday, even a bit of a weak cold surge could increase some cloud cover and a few showers, parts of the Cagayan Valley. But I think the bigger interaction is going to be, well, the bigger topic will be that interaction with the northeast flow, increasing showers for parts of Visayas. Right now, though, it's wet in Mindanao for our Thursday. Looking off towards the north, Palawan, 32 degrees there for you. And then plenty of sunshine in northern areas of the Philippines. All right, so let's scoot this ahead and just say real quick, but don't click off just yet, because I know I see the demographics. People always leave when I talk about this. But check out our Patreon. It goes a long way, guys. Really, really does. Even if it's just $2 a month, it's a huge thing. And big thanks for everybody that does donate. These are our members here, our Super Typhoons, and we also have our Typhoons who donate $6 a month, or even on YouTube as well. You can just click that follow button on YouTube, and it really, really helps out a lot. So that's what's going on in the Philippines. Let's also talk about what's happening in Okinawa. And really, we're starting to see the early signs of the Mayu front. That's the rainy season. Typically doesn't get fully in until about April, May, June, but you'll see here, I mean, it's a clear sign when you have the high pressure ridge towards the north, the Siberian high, WestPac high is trying to ridge it, and then between that, you kind of get this troughing set up. And look, even a little low, which actually is going to bring some nasty weather to places like Tokyo. Cloud cover, and even the chance of rain Thursday over towards Friday for Okinawa. Look at that clear leading edge of the shear line right in here, that cold front. I actually like this graphic. It really shows it the way this is set up there. That's going to increase cloud cover all weekend, though. Maybe not a lot in the form of rain, but if you are out here in Okinawa, yeah, just expect some cloudy skies, temperatures into the lower 70s. Not the worst weather in the world, but definitely not a beach day this weekend, neither, with that nice little north breeze after it pushes on by. And watch this as we go ahead through Wednesday. I think Thursday, there's your storm off towards the north. It's going to winds are going to change. Here it comes, pushes in. Thursday over towards Friday, kicks on by, creates some cloudy skies, maybe the chance of rain. But then it starts to clear out, and you basically get northerly winds with some pretty good north waves. Actually, we can show that here with the wave graphic as well. As we go ahead through a Wednesday into Thursday, watch that surge kick on by with those waves starting to kick in from the north. So, yeah, it's could be some cloudy, just kind of messy weather. But as I mentioned, Tokyo is going to be looking only a high of 9. Just sloppy little rainstorm. I would rather have snow than that. Temperatures in the single digits, and And rain, ugh, just gross. It's gonna be the same case over towards Thursday. While Sapporo's looking nice, -3 with some snow. That's nice. A lot of single digits on this map, though. Oof. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're looking at right out here for today. If you have any questions, though, please let me know. That's what's happening across Northeast Asia. The tropics continue to remain calm. Just one little quick look at our SpaghettiOs. Not showing much whatsoever in that long-range forecast outside of kind of some blips down there towards south of Guam, Yap, and Palau. But with the El Nino in place, we continue to expect below-average rainfall. I'm meteorologist Robert Bennett. As always, thanks for watching. And number one thing, of course, is stay safe out there. Bye.